sets your practice apart from other motorcycle accident personal injury attorneys in San Francisco?
What sets us apart is that we are dedicated to representing motorcyclists when they have been harmed by the conduct of others. We believe that accountability is the key. You have to make people who harm motorcyclists fully accountable in order to increase safety. You can only increase safety and change behavior when you make the people who do wrong fully accountable. That's our job. We're the accountability team. We ride motorcycles. We've been representing motorcyclists our entire lives, and we're here to help. We ride, we know we can help, and we win.